storytellers. I'm Nadia Sheikh. I'm an award winning author, a Dark Horse Comics author and artist, a paper collage artist, and I'm a workshop facilitator. I like to teach comic scenes, comic collage, and paper collage workshops through community organizations in Oregon and Washington. If you're a recent art school grad or a community college creative trying to figure out how to get paid to teach what you know, I made this 1 day workshop for you. I used to believe that I had to wait for someone to pick me, to offer me gigs or freelancing opportunities, grants, gallery spots, all types of things. But I stopped waiting. And now I teach my own workshops and I get paid for it. Some of my workshops are $300 and some of my workshops are $500. So I get paid pretty good for just 90 minutes. um, in my book, From Starving to Fed Artist, I walk you through how to build a creative career or side hustle by pitching simple $100 workshops. And I'm teaching a 1 hour digital workshop to help you start doing it too. In this workshop, you'll learn how to find local community organizations that already book creatives like you. You'll have an opportunity to DM them with a confident pitch that you can use again and again. You'll be able to write a workshop. We'll go over a couple strategies for a workshop that they'll say yes to in your Instagram DM, and you'll walk away with your first real opportunity to facilitate a workshop and potentially get paid for that workshop. So, if you're tired of feeling stuck and ready to start earning from what you know, come on over, come join me on August 8th at 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. This 1 day virtual workshop is called Booked by DMs, and you'll leave with a pitch, a plan, and a confidence to send your first DM to community based organizations. You can check the description box below and the pinned comments and the About section of my YouTube channel for more information. I only have 10 spots, so be sure to grab your spot soon because they will sell out. And I can't wait to see you there, and I look forward to answering questions and working with you. Alright, thanks so much. See you in the next video.